Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Very slow price action at the moment. At the moment, I'm observing the structure that would suggest that a wave 1 has topped on the 10th of March here at this swing high around $23. Based on that, we could now explore the idea that we are in a wave 2 correction. And in the wave 2, we are dealing with an ABC structure, and the A wave most likely bottomed around the 20th of March. The rally so far is a 3-wave structure, so it's a corrective structure, which very much confirms the idea of a B wave. And as soon as we get further downside pressure and further downside confirmation, we can at some point track this C wave in more detail. At the moment, I haven't seen enough price action to indicate that the C wave to the downside has started. So I'm very open to further upside extensions at the moment. It's just not very clear. There is no clear setup for it. Could literally have topped already in wave B, in the white count. Absolutely, wave B might have topped. Wave C to the downside might have started, but if the B wave topped, it's not very clear yet. I mean, the price landed here in the middle of the resistance area between the golden ratio level and the 78.6 retracement between $20 and $21.27. But there was no very clear rejection. I mean, there is a rejection, but not in an impulsive way. Also, the move down looks like a 3-wave move. And I see that on a lot of charts at the moment that they might still extend higher. And that extension higher might occur in the yellow count, which is the more bullish pathway, 4 or 5 waves to the upside. And if they fill in, that would confirm just an extension of the wave 1, and the wave 2 would then most likely start after that. That's not my preferred option. Because it's not impossible and everything's not unlikely, but I find the idea that the wave 2 has started a little more likely. I could be wrong with that. The thing is, though, that it's very unclear if the B wave has topped or not. I actually prefer the B wave to extend at least once higher, okay? At least one more high. But again, that would still be a 3-wave move, okay? That would probably still be a 3-wave move. Only if we can get 5 waves as per yellow, I have to reinterpret the chart really and say, okay, wave 1 never topped, probably topped here. So that means even with one more high, it would probably morph then from an ABC structure in wave B to a WXY structure, which is a more complex corrective pattern, but it would still count as a 3-wave corrective rally. So there's still plenty of space. I mean, the B wave here reached an ideal retracement or resistance area for a B wave, absolutely. But the B waves can always extend, and they sometimes extend beyond or break above standard resistance, okay? So the next resistance areas above $21.27 would be here the 88.7 fib level, and that's at $22, or even this wave 1 high at around $22.90. So it's clearly not, it's at least not clearly bullish what we see here, but I think one more upside extension is definitely possible. But also there is no clear setup for it because we already have 3 waves to the upside. What can I say? All I can say is it hasn't clearly topped in wave B yet. What would I need to see for further confirmation that the wave B has topped? Well, I'd like to see a break below that last swing low here, the smaller subwave wave B, which bottomed at around $17.33 or 30. And then followed by a break below $16.27. A break below the A wave low is typically a good indication or good confirmation that the C wave to the downside has started. So I'm looking here at this ABC structure in wave 2. If the price comes down in this C wave of wave 2, this could be an interesting opportunity for accumulation possibly, and I'm still watching for this wave 2 possibly to finish in the region of the previous wave 4 of one lesser degree. That's a very common target for a wave 2. So that's all I can say at the moment about LINK. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.